Howdy, little one.
Hello, my little friend.
Today, we will learn about animals.
All animals need our love and respect.
Here we are. Let's put the letters in the right order.
Doing so will reveal which animal it is. E L E
Rumors say that it fears tiny mice.
P H A N T
E L E P H A N T.
Elephant. This is an elephant.
It is a mammal.
They feed their kids with milk.
This animal is a vegetarian.
That means that it eats mostly veggies and fruits.
Do you know how an elephant sounds?
This is how it sounds.
It has a loud voice.
That is all for today.
If you own an animal, give it some extra love from us.
Bye-bye, my friend.
This is one of my favorite videos. Have you seen this video? We got many more videos for you to see.